Now we are going to excavate this location having a diameter of 10 centimeter and a depth of 15 centimeter.
We have to dig the soil using the small crowbar with a depth of 15 centimeter. Next, collect the soil. We dig into the hole. Next, we have to pour the weighed soil into the hole. We dig. We have to weigh the pouring cylinder separately and soil separately. We have to release the soil into the digged hole. The soil is slowly releasing into the digged hole with a depth of 15 centimeter. Entire pit will be filled with the soil. Now weigh the soil we took from the field along with the steel tray. Weigh the weight using the weighing balance. Note down the weight. Now weigh the empty weight of calibrating cylinder. Note down the weight. Then pour the sand from the cylinder. Now we fill the sand from the cylinder into the calibrating cylinder. Next we have to weigh the calibrating cylinder along with the sand. Using the weighing balance,